Nightlight. Make your own little lantern. For this craft, you'll need tissue paper, a jar, scissors, a paintbrush, glue, and a battery-operated light. Step 1. Cut the tissue paper into pieces. Step 2. Paint a layer of glue onto the jar. Step 3. Cover the jar with pieces of tissue paper. Then paint another layer of glue on top. Let the glue dry. Step 4. Turn on the light and place it in the jar to see your lantern shine. Wow!